Okay, so we had a crazy night right now. It's Sunday evening. I had washed my hair. मैंने बालों पे ऑयल लगाया था और उस पर थोड़ी देर पहले लेमन लगाया था बिकॉज थोड़ा डैंड्रफ इशू हो रहा है. So I thought let me clean it out with the lemon. I have seen a lot of difference. And then I washed my hair. I went outside to dry it as usual. And I was like, बहुत windy है. I should close the door. Oh, sorry, not close the door. I should keep an eye on the door. But मेरे सामने वो दरवाज़ा ऐसे बंद हुआ and I got locked out. Kashish is not at home. I did not, अंदर से I could have done that latch thing जिससे वो बंद ना होता, but I forgot to do it. It just didn't strike me somehow. But I know that at least next time मुझे करना है वो. And so I got locked out. फिर 1 मिनट के लिए तो I was like shit, अब क्या? Because Kashish is in Nashik. मेरी चाबी अंदर है. तो मैंने 1502 वाले की डोरबेल बजाई. गिवन उनका ब्रोकर भी सेम है, आनंद, एंड खिमजी इज़ द ओनर, बट ही वॉज नॉट देयर. तो देन आई 1504 में गई, मैंने बेल बजाई, उनको बोला यार मेरा फ़ोन अंदर है, आई गॉट लॉकड आउट, कैन यू प्लीज़ गिव मी द फ़ोन. आई कॉल पप्पा, आई कॉल मम्मा डिडंट पिक अप द फ़ोन, आई कॉल पा. Thankfully this happened at around 11, so it was not too late. I called Pa. I was like, yeah, Pa. And I knew he would not recognize unknown number. So मैंने बोला, okay, Pa, this is Isha. So I was like, Pa, this is Isha here. He's like, hey, Isha. I was like, Pa, your daughter Isha. He could not understand. Then I told him I got locked out. Thankfully, nobody got too stressed. They were trying to search for the broker's number, like Kimji's number. वो मिला नहीं. तो फिर the guy the neighbor, he was really sweet. Yeah, he was very kind. I bothered him a lot though. He suggested कि एक बार उसके साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है, तो उन्होंने की मेकर को बुला दिया था. And that key maker opened the door for them and gave them a duplicate as well. So वही चीज़ की. फिर मैंने भी उसको बुलाया. I waited for like half an hour, I think, 15-20 minutes to minimum. And yeah, so he came and that guy was very sweet. So I had my towel with me, I was in shorts, everything. So उसको गर्मी लग रही थी, उसने फ़ैन ऑन किया लॉबी का. Then he asked me कि दीदी आपको बहुत ठंड तो नहीं लग रही है? मैंने बोला नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Then finally he opened the door. He was very polite and बहुत sweetly बोल रहा था, बहुत अच्छे से बोल रहा था, रिस्पेक्ट से. सो आई रियली लाइक द गाय. सो डोर खोल के 10 मिनट के अंदर अंदर मैं बोला भाई ये क्या है, इतनी आराम से डोर खुल जाता है मतलब. सो एनीवे, सो द डोर ओपनड एंड आई वॉक बैक इन. एक चाबी बनाने के लिए 1600 रुपये लगते हैं यार, मतलब. सो बट he came in so much rain. It has been raining incessantly today. कल से बारिश हो ही जा रही है, कंटिन्यूस रेन्स. सो I'm glad he came. Initially तो मुझे डर लगा था. I was like shit, ये क्या हो गया? And then I was like it's okay, हो गया. I started singing in the staircase. I was dancing a bit in the staircase. एकदम I was like क्या आवाज़ आ रही थी, गूंज रही थी, एको हो रही थी, क्या बढ़िया एनवायरनमेंट था. बट yeah, I just thought I'll share this. Nobody was tense. All of us were thanking God कि प्रॉब्लम्स तो आती है बट गॉड इज़ ऑलवेज विद अस एंड वो जल्दी जल्दी सोल्यूशन भी देते हैं साथ ही में. सो it was really good. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm just so excited. I'm just so happy the way things panned out. And that's about it. So I'll just sleep. But yeah, what I was thinking about is also कि आज So full day I was engaged in something or the other. या तो मैं कोई कोर्स कर रही हूँ, नहीं तो मैं मॉडर्न फैमिली देख रही हूँ, नहीं तो मैं सोच रही हूँ अरे मैं आई एम नॉट बीइंग प्रोडक्टिव, शुड आई जर्नल, शुड आई डांस, शुड आई डू दिस दैट. आई वॉज कॉन्स्टेंटली इंगेज्ड इन समथिंग. भगवान जी ने बोला इसको तो फोर्सफुली ब्रेक देना पड़ेगा. सो आई गॉट लॉक्ड आउट. आई डिडंट हैव माई फोन एंड सो व्हेन आई गॉट लॉक्ड आउट, आराम से मैं अपनी ख्यालों के साथ हूँ. I had two options. I had two options. I could be very like scared and fearful and like, oh my god, now what? Tensed, anxious. Or I could just be like, ठीक है, हो जाएगा सब sort. I chose the latter. I started singing. And I'm so happy I could do that. That I was in a place where I could do that. And honestly, a big credit for this goes to Mama. Mama has always been somebody who laughs at problems, finds solutions. Both Mama and Papa are very chill people, and they've really taught me this lesson so beautifully. And this is definitely something I want to teach my kids and equip them to also deal with their lives. So yeah, just good day, good weekend, happening end to the weekend. And that's about it. Now I'll just comb my hair. I'm thinking I might do one more lecture before sleeping, and then I'll go to sleep. So yeah, anyway, see you. Just wanted to share this, and that's it. I'm wearing my panda shirt today. Isn't it so cute? I love this shirt. Isha, you have such pretty eyes. Just look at your eyes. So pretty. Your face, your lips, your teeth, your hair. Everything is so beautiful, so amazing. I love you. And I hope I let the little Ishita out. मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं सोचा कि मैं गा रही हूँ तो कैसा लगेगा लोगों को. I just sang. So it is my promise to the little girl inside me that I'm going to let her be more her, and I hope I'm able to do that successfully. So anyway, see you. Good night. Bye bye.